AI, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, whatever. It's everywhere and now you want to run it locally on your computer. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it on Windows. First, open the browser of your choice and you'll want to type lmstudio.ai. Make sure it's typed correctly, lmstudio.ai, you don't want to get scammed. Press enter and you're gonna see this website. Now since I'm on Windows, obviously I'm gonna select download for Windows. It's gonna download the setup file, we'll let it run through. How fast this downloads will depend on your internet. When it's done, you'll want to open your downloads folder. We will double click it to run the setup. I recommend leaving the options on default, so select installation only for me. Hit next, hit install. With it done, we can select finish and this will launch LM Studio. With it open, we can skip the onboarding phase. Now we head over to select a model to load. For this video, I want to use DeepSeek, so let's type in DeepSeek. I don't have DeepSeek installed just yet, so we'll select search more results for DeepSeek. You're gonna get a huge list of available models, mostly from the LM Studio community or from the LM Studio staff. I'm just gonna go with the smaller model and select download. Now, even though this is a smaller model, it's still gonna take a lot of time to download depending on your internet, so you'll need some patience. Now with it downloaded, I'm gonna close all of these windows here, also this notification. Then again on the chat, I'm gonna hit select the model to load. Now from this list, I get the option to load DeepSeek, so I'm gonna select it. I'm not gonna edit any settings and I'm gonna hit load model. At this point, you're ready to go. You can chat with the AI and we can type something like, hello, are you there? Now, depending on the model you downloaded and also your hardware, it's gonna take some time to load. I can also go for something more complicated. So here I asked it to generate a website in the style of the Lethal Company terminal. Everything contained in a single .html file. It's gonna think through it and eventually spit out the HTML code. Depending on the model, the answer will not always be perfect, so this is not exactly what I asked it to do, but regardless, it's a great starting point, I guess. Of course, you can also create a new chat. Here is an example. I'm gonna ask it to do some math. So what's 345 multiplied by 78, then divided by 3? Now this model right here is great at math, and I verified the result using the calculator app. And that's basically it. The easiest way to get started with AI locally on Windows. So to get rid of all of this, you'll want to open your Settings app, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, search for LM Studio, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Click Next and it will unalive itself. Now in general, larger models will require more memory from your graphics card to run.
That's quite big.
So to find out more about your GPU and how much memory you have, you can right-click on an empty space right here, select Task Manager, click on this monitor type symbol, then here on the bottom click on GPU. Here you will see the amount of video memory your graphics card has, and also your exact model of graphics card.